Hello friends, I'm extremely excited to start a new playlist titled Gardening for Beginners, wherein I'm gonna add some useful beginners tips in gardening. And today's video is one of them. We'll look into the top 10 golden rules of watering your plant the right way, like how much to water and how often to water. That's coming up. If you're interested in gardening, please subscribe to my channel with the bell icon clicked so that you receive notifications on my new uploads. How much water should I offer to my plant and how often? What should be the frequency of watering? The answer to this question is not easy and depends on a number of factors like the type of plant, your location or the climatic zone, the season of the year, the type and the size of the container, and so on. Before we list out the top 10 golden rules of watering for beginners, you must remember this line. Overwatering is the most common plant killer, then underwatering. Rule number 1 is avoid waterlogging and stagnation. For this, you need to have a well-draining soil mix, and also you must check whether the drainage holes are open. Rule number 2, check topsoil for moisture. Before you water your plant, make sure the top 1 to 2 inches of the soil is dry, either by using a soil moisture meter, that is the moisture testing gadget, or by inserting your finger. The best gadget is your finger. This is important because drying out of soil just before watering promotes the growth of roots. Then rule number 3, water less often but thoroughly. But this also depends on the type of the plant. Generally, for most plants, it's better to water less often but thoroughly. This is always much better than watering more frequently with little quantity of water. The next tip explains this concept better. That is the rule number 4. Water must reach the roots. Most roots are located deeper near the bottom of the containers. Hence, superficial watering with small amounts and even though more frequently will not give you good results. Hence, thorough watering and less frequent watering is recommended so that the water reaches the deeper roots till the bottom of the container. Then rule number 5, water late in the evening or early in the mornings. In late evenings and early mornings, the soil is cool and hence less water evaporates than it would on a hot soil during the day. And the plants can sufficiently stock themselves up with water for photosynthesis, and the plants will be able to deal better with the upcoming heat of the sun. Then rule number 6, keep the leaves dry to avoid fungus. Generally, it's recommended to pour water on the soil and not drench the whole plant completely. This is due to the risk of fungus. But this depends on your local climate too. If it is scorching hot in summer, you can mist or drench some of the plants, but not those plants which store water in their leaves, like the succulents and the cacti. Then rule number 7, water gradually and allow it to go down into the soil, wait and then water again till the water comes out through the drainage hole. This is thorough watering and important for deeper roots to receive water, as I already said in rule number 3 and 4, that is less frequent but good watering. Then rule number 8, if you are on a vacation or want to reduce watering frequency, you can use a clay-rich soil but should be used smartly. This holds water very well, and this is the soil used by most nursery guys to water their plants less frequently, but there is always a risk of root rot from water stagnation. You can also use the sap gel crystals, that is the super absorbent polymer crystals, which are now available as non-toxic safe granules which reduce watering frequency significantly. You can watch my experiment on this method from a card link at top right corner of this video. And rule number 9, different watering for different plants. This is really important, especially if you are a beginner. You have to know the plant name and its care tips like the watering requirement. Do not hesitate to ask the plant name and Google about its care tips and also the watering requirements. Then rule number 10, container gardening versus ground gardening. Watering requirement and frequency is different for these two types of gardening. Remember, container grown plants dry out much faster and hence require greater water vigilance. So there you have it folks. Remember to apply these 10 golden rules whenever you are watering your plants. Please comment below the video and let me know which rule you liked the most. Please give a thumbs up to the video if you liked it and also share this video with your gardening friends. Consider subscribing to the channel if you are new to the channel. Happy gardening!